we found something that looks a bit like a piece of fish in our garden. It definitely looks like a piece of chicken or meat.
Yeah.
So something has brought it here and left it.
And these onions keep being pulled out as well. And I think, guessing from this little hole, something must have squeezed in. Like all these stones and
It's dug out the mud
yeah,
and stuff.
yeah. Weird. Maybe a cat, but why? Yeah, that spot is definitely dug out.
Unfortunately, we can see it's destroyed our climbing clematis.
Yeah, so it came from there. Oh no.
Unfortunately, it's come through, broken most of the plant. Like some of the plant may be left, but there's also the bottom of that fence has had a hole chunking out of it, and there's mud around it, so it's burst through there, whatever this thing is.
Man. Yeah, these are from, yeah.
These have been growing a while.
Yeah. Oh wow, and then all these.
I'll go have a look if I can see down the side.
Yeah.
I might see if I can see through Kate's garden as well.
So not just here, but it's gone all the way. It seems like it's a badger probably. He has eaten the compost bin as well to get inside.
He couldn't get in there.
No. Oh man. I said careful, it's hot because we're at Pizza Hut. We got some nachos and potato salad.
There's some chilies in it.
Yeah.
And sauce that isn't cheese sauce that I thought was. I don't know what sauce it is. Orange sauce.
Yeah. Pizza Hut. We got pepperoni and cheesy fries. Yum.
The other shop didn't have it. He didn't know I was asking that.
Cool tea, we're gonna try. Illegal chocolate, and we might get this one, Akashi, Sake and Lychee.
Sake.
Yeah. So we got hot chocolate from Hotel Chocolat, and this was 85%.
Yeah, like a chocolate cream.
Yeah.
Looks like a mousse. Do you want to try the mousse?
Yeah,
It's like chocolate cream.
Oh yeah, I love that.
That's nice just for the mousse. It's not so sweet, it's really deep chocolate. For $3.50 that's quite good. So, especially with the whipped kind of chocolate cream. That's
Asian pear ginger. Lots of kombucha selection.